All right, hey guys, I want to show you how you can use Inventor to figure out those same calculations that you just made by hand. So you see this part looks like the part that you guys created or that you had the isometric drawing of. I had you calculate the surface area, the volume, and then get the density of aluminum and calculate the density uh, of this part and the mass. So in Inventor, you can check all that information pretty easily. So then you may be asking me right now, well then why did we have to do it by hand? Well, there's a couple good reasons, if not more. One would be that it's always good to know how to do these sort of calculations by hand. You may not always, as you don't right now, have access to Inventor or some other solid model program. And you may so you may have to do things by hand for that reason. And it's also a good idea so that you can be familiar with what the density should be, or you can calculate what the density should be to check to make sure that Inventor is in fact giving you the right answers. There may be some glitch, there may be some area that you're not aware of that's throwing off the calculations. So it's always good to know how to do it by hand. But let me just show you a couple things here you can do in Inventor. All right, so as you know, we made this part based on inches, but I want to know the mass in grams, and I want to know the density mass. So the first thing I'm going to do is go up here, and just above the ribbon, I can go to Tools, and I can go to Document Settings. Now I already did this. And I can go to Units. In Units, I can change my length from inches to centimeters, and I can change my mass from pounds mass or slugs to grams. So I've changed that to grams. Now I click Apply and then Close. Now Inventor has reconfigured this part based on centimeters. So now to access the iProperties that is found under File, if you scroll down, there's iProperties. In the iProperties window, you want to go to the last tab, and that's where you have Physical. Oftentimes when you first open it up, you may have to click Update, but you can see here that it gives me my mass. Now this is based on generic material, which I couldn't tell you what generic material is, but it does give me my area in centimeters squared. It gives me my volume in centimeters cubed, and it gives me my mass. If I then go to Material, and I'll need to scroll up to Aluminum 6061. 6061 is the alloy. I can then get my mass in grams, the area, and of course the volume stay the same, and I can get my principle of moments, my mass moments, and from this I can calculate the density mass because I'm given the mass and I'm given the volume. All right, so I hope you see the awesome features that you can use with Inventor. By the way, if I click Apply, it's going to make that look like aluminum. Oh, it looks just like aluminum. All right, hope you enjoyed this. There's a couple of questions for you to answer on the Google form.